Vicks VapoPad Family Pack, for use in Vicks Vaporizers and Humidifiers 12 pack, VSP19FP. Product details. Get immediate relief from the sniffles with the Vicks VapoPad Family Pack 12 pack, VSP19FP. This product is specially designed to help you and your family deal with stubborn cold symptoms. Each piece provides up to 8 hours of soothing menthol vapors so that you and your loved ones can rest easily and be productive throughout the day. Vicks humidifier pads are non-medicated, making them safe to use for all ages without a prescription. This package contains 12 pieces that are compatible with many Vicks vaporizing machines, plugins and humidifiers, each sold separately. Be sure to check for compatibility first before making a purchase. The Vicks VapoPad Family Pack 12 pack, VSP19FP, works by releasing soothing vapors into the air to bring you comfort from cough, congestion, stuffy nose, and other cold symptoms. Vicks VapoPad Family Pack 12 pack, VSP19FP, contains 12 Vicks VapoPads refill pads. Up to 8 hours of soothing menthol vapors per pad. Non-medicated Vicks humidifier pads. For use with models V1200, V1300, V1700, V1750, V1800, V1900, V750, V106SGN, V150SGN, V3500, V3700, V3900, V4450, V4500, V4600, V5100, VUL 520, VUL 575 and VEV 320, each sold separately. Vicks VapoPads refill pads are suitable for use with adults and infants at least 10 pounds in weight. Provides instant relief from congestion, cough and other typical cold symptoms. Directions. Instructions. For use with most brands of plug-in and waterless vaporizers and select Vicks inhalers, vaporizers and humidifiers.